Hi, my name is Erlinet Richards. I'm going to teach you how to play with ukulele, the song The Greatest Showman, Never Enough. But before that, I would like to encourage you to use your tuner first before you sing a song. So switch on the ukulele and then just so make it sure green, make it sure green. Okay. As a beginner, you have to learn how to tune, no? So that we can sing nice song. We should learn how to make it perfect. The tuner. G, C, E, little bit of one. So if green is perfect. A. See? Have a look. G, C, E, A. So C needs more C. I like apples pie. I like apples pie. See? So now we keep this. And let's start it. Let's get started. So we're gonna sing a song, The Greatest Showman, Never Enough. But we're going to learn the four chords in this song. So G major, D minor, E minor, and C. So there are four chords. So G, G is third finger, first string, and second fret. And then second finger, second string, and third fret. And fourth finger, third string, and second fret. So that's G. And then D, D. So D is third finger, a second finger, second string, and second fret. Third finger, third string, and third fret. And fourth finger, fourth string, and fourth fret. So that's D. And then A minor, like that. It looks like this, E minor. So second finger in third, fourth string, and third string, and third fret. Third finger, second string, and third fret. And then in first finger, fourth string, and second fret. So that's E minor. And C, very easy. Second finger, first string, and third fret. G, D, A minor, and C. Okay. In chorus, I suggest you that we use a picking pattern like this. So we start G, slow, and D, and A minor, E minor, and C, when we go to chorus, second chorus, this is the first chorus, we can make it a little bit faster. So in first chorus, picking pattern, we can use a slow picking pattern like this. E minor and C. So in chorus 2, we can make it a little bit faster, like G. A minor and C. Now let's sing along with me. Just I'm trying to hold my breath. Let it stay this way. Can let this moment in. You said about dream with me, getting louder now. You can hear it echoing. Take my hand, will you share it with me? 'Cause darling, without you. Now in chorus 1, that's what I told you, that we're going to have a picking pattern. Slow first, and in chorus 1, slow, like this. All the shines of thousand spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold and still too little, these hands could hold the world, but it's never be enough, never be enough for me, never, never for me, never enough, never enough, never enough for me, for me. Now we go to chorus 2. So we try to play in a little bit faster in picking pattern. Okay? All the shines of thousand spotlights, all the stars steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold and still too little, these hands could hold the world, but it's never be enough, never be enough for me, never, 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 never for me, never enough, never enough for me, for me. If you learn already how to play the chords, you can make your own style. No. This song, we need to use the G major, D minor, E minor, and C. I hope you can learn something from me, and thank you for watching. Bye.